Hello, everyone. I'm Ning Yu Zheng from Colorlight. Today, I'll present Colorlight's video wall playback control solution. Playback control is important as it processes signal sources of a playback system. Yet, traditional servers face critical limitations that undermine display effect and user experience, including blurry visuals on ultra-large screens due to the lack of pixel-to-pixel mapping, screen tearing caused by unsynchronized signals, discrepancy between implementation and design in creative display projects due to inadequate communication, and limited variety in content display due to insufficient compatibility. Even if basic playback control is achieved, clients' demands for advanced visual effects remain unmet due to non-professional image processing. To address these challenges, we launched the CS series servers, supporting different load capacities from 4K to 8000 and 216K. The pre-installed Grand Show software performs impressively in meeting various application demands, while the powerful assistant, Grand Mapping, brings designers' creative ideas into reality. Our products address the limitations with distinguished advantages. These four major advantages are large screen, strong creativity, good image quality, and complete ecosystem. First, ultra-large resolution. This word isn't fresh. It's been around for years. UHD, ultra-high definition, ultra-large. These have been in use ever since the 4K era. Today, almost every provider supports 8K resolution, while in Colorlight, we have been delivering 16K resolution for 3 years, and have promoted it globally with countless application cases. 16K resolution, we did it first, and we are the pioneer in this field. Then, let's move on to ultra-large pixel width. Except for some older models that handle only 8192 pixel, most devices today support 16,384 pixels in width and height. Through technological innovation, we have broken the limitations of signal source input size, achieving pixel-to-pixel playback exceeding 100,000 pixels in total. This is one of the real cases we handled. It's a project for the Chengdu University held last year, which requires a solution to support playback on a large screen that encircled the stadium. We provided a solution with an ultra-long screen, without the need for segmentation, supporting custom ordering of the playback content. The client might have used servers from other providers. He said that whoever designed the solution might lack a proper understanding of server capabilities. He said that the screen should be segmented into sections of 16,384 pixels each, and the content displayed on them should also be tailored for these sections. Well, the client did have a proper understanding of server, but he did not have a proper understanding of Colorlight. We have powerful servers, and we can guarantee a seamless, end-to-end display. It turns out that our server is indeed powerful, and the client was more than satisfied with the solution we implemented. The 100,000 pixels load capacity is impressive, but is still limited. Therefore, we support cascading servers for expandable image output without limitation. Paired with our patented Grand Show sync technology, this solution eliminates delays and errors among the cascaded servers. Our solution provides excellent synchronization performance. Some providers are only capable of developing playback control software. They sell computers in the name of servers with the software pre-installed. When asked about the synchronization performance, they only replied, "Absolutely synchronized." But in reality, some of them don't even have testing equipment, and they actually have no idea of how synchronized their devices can achieve. Is there really a device in the world that supports absolute accuracy? Every device has limitation in accuracy. Even Bedou's satellites cannot claim that they are absolutely synchronized. We have spent a lot of time in improving the algorithm used in our software, and we used oscillometer to measure the phase difference of the sync signal. We managed to maintain the difference within nanosecond. a level of synchronization that is far less than the minimum observable difference by human eyes and ordinary high-speed camera. In addition to extending performance, cascading multiple servers can establish a redundancy system, in which the input signal source can be seamlessly switched from the primary server to the backup server, ensuring a stable and continuous image output, thus enhancing the stability and reliability of the project. By the way, the seamless redundancy I just described is also a patented technology provided by Colorlight. Other providers also support redundancy, but requires switching manually, which inevitably causes several seconds of delay. Our redundancy system supports fully automatic switching, guaranteeing a seamless show on the stage. But after using our server, they said they were finally able to hold an event without any playback failures or complaints. Next, I will demonstrate how to ensure the fast presentation of clients' creative designs. Prior to selling product, we usually need to provide clients with detailed solutions. Normally, we will draw an unfolded view using CAD software with some text description, like a novel with several illustrations. The clients pretty much have to image how the final presentation looks like. For example, I want an image with a hemisphere on top and a circle underneath, tilted. An experienced engineer in this field might be able to imagine the general idea. But what about an ordinary client? Can he visualize it? How can he confirm if this proposal meets his requirements? And how will he sign a deal without such confirmation? Through the accurate 3D mapping and real-time dynamic effect technology, we are able to visualize the imaginary scenes. What's more, based on the module data we accumulated over these years, we have trained a specialized AI model, which translates and visualized idea into an exact LED module solution. This streamlines communication and achieves a visualize, sit imagine it workflow. In addition to visualize the Tazu imagine it, we also realize implement it as you view it via integrating to our LED control system, including the sections of receiving cards and sending card. We realize precise alignment from design to implementation, ensuring a perfect match between demonstration and on-site playback effects. Meanwhile, we also provide a brand new intelligent slides function, which allows automatically adjusting the mapping between the media content and the screen. Clients can see in our software what they imagine. The implementation will be exactly the same as what they see in the software when signing the deal. This is what makes a design software outstanding, providing a clear demonstration and delivering a perfectly aligned outcome. After configuring a screen, finding out how to present images of the best quality is what our LED display industry should pursue. To this end, we support playing lossless or even uncompressed images in a sequence frame format, ensuring that each frame meets the highest professional standards. In addition, all our products support HDR or high dynamic range true color display, even if the media resources or the backend devices do not support HDR. The AI module on our server can convert the color depth of the media resources to achieve HDR level display effect. What's more, by using the AI super resolution technology, our product supports identifying details and textures within images, automatically supplementing missing information, which significantly enhances the delicacy and clarity of the images and ensures that every frame is presented precisely. We have also applied AI frame interpolation technology to professional video playback control for the first time. Whether it's classic films, sports events, or live broadcasts, this technology provides clients with a smoother viewing experience. The launch of the Playback Control Server has further improved the Colorlight ecosystem. Our servers have undergone extensive testing, with high compatibility proven by lots of projects. Compared to those makeshift solutions compounded by various devices, our product's stability is undoubtedly on a whole different level. We support a broad variety of media resources, from traditional PowerPoint presentation, website, subtitle, streaming media, to sheet, database, you name it. In a word, what you can see, we can play. And what you can't see, we visualize it. Now, let's take a look at several application cases to feel the powerful capabilities of our solution. The first case is our involvement in top-tier entertainment events. The 2024 CCTV Mid-Autumn Festival Gala. From server to sender, and 2 receiving cards, all were provided by Colorlight. Next, this is an LED dome screen solution we provided for a Saudi Arabia's cultural tourism project. The dome screen is 35 meters high, holding a Guinness World Record. We provided 12 8K servers for this project, and the playback control system is also provided by us. This is a comprehensive project from a Chinese domestic client. The project used various types of screens, from video wall to creative irregular shaped screen. This pedestrian street, which is several hundred meters long, is lined with dozens of screens, from canopies to billboards. All were fully equipped with Colorlight technology. The CS series servers have not only solved the problems we once encountered, but also brought unprecedented user experiences. We believe that it will become a leading product in the field of multimedia playback control, bringing surprises and value to more users, and leading the industry to a new chapter.